Okay, first graders, first step that we're going to do today is we are going to write our name on the paper. That is the most important thing, and I want you to do that right now. Okay, I'm going to walk you through each part of this today. I am not going to be giving you answers, so you are going to pause the video, write in your answer, and push play when you're ready to go to the next number. There are no answers on this. This is your math test. So we are going to start today on number 1. So if you need to find number 1, it is the blue dot at the top of your page, right here. We are on number 1. Okay, so if we look at number 1, it says, write the number that tells how many. Pause and write. If you're ready, we are going to number 2. Find the 2. That's the number we are going to start on next. Number 2 says, write the number that tells how many. So you're going to look at your 5s frame and how many are outside, count them, and write the number that tells how many. We are on number 3. Remember, you can pause the video to write your answer. We are going to read it. It says, Sam has 8 party horns. He buys 3 more. How many party horns does he have in all? So you're going to look at the counters. He started with 8. Then he buys 3 more. And then you're going to write your answer in the blank. We are on number 4. Draw a picture to show your answer. Dan has 9 fish. You are going to draw a picture that shows Dan has 9 fish. Now we are on number 5. Number 5 says, complete the picture. Write the number. Mary buys 4 oranges. Then she buys 6 more. How many does she buy in all? So you need to finish the picture showing how many more she bought, and how many more she bought in all goes on the blank. Pause your video until you're finished. Okay, boys and girls, when you are ready, you are going to turn your page. So you are looking at number 6 at the top. Number 6 at the top. Jack and Jill have the same number of pennies. They have 12 pennies in all. How many pennies does Jill have? Remember, boys and girls, they have the same number of pennies. So Jack has some pennies and Jill has some pennies. They want to know how many does Jill have. Pause your video and write your answer. Moving on, we are on number 7. Kevin had 8 golf balls. Now he has 12 golf balls. How many new golf balls did Kevin get? So remember, we know he has 12 in all. He started with 8. You need to tell me how many new ones did he get, and then write that number on the line. Okay, we're on number 8. When you're ready, count and write the number of cubes. Circle less than or greater than. So you're going to count this tower of cubes and write the number here. Count this tower of cubes and write the number here. Then you need to circle. Is this tower of cubes less than this tower or greater than this tower? Pause your video and write your answer. We are on number 9. Find number 9. All right. This is write the numbers in order from least to greatest. So look at your 3 numbers. Least, to greatest. Write them in order now. Pause your video to complete your problem. We are on number 10. Use the number line to help you. Write in the missing numbers. So you have 0, blank, 2, 3, blank, 5, blank. You need to put the correct numbers in the blanks. Pause your video when you're ready to start. You may press start again. We're on number 11. Number 11, you're using the number line. Frank has some t-shirts. The number is between 6 and 8. How many t-shirts does he have? Write the number on your blank. Right, number 12, the last one on the second page. You're halfway done. This problem says, circle groups of 10. Write the numbers. You're going to circle the groups of 10. Then you're going to write the number is how many groups of 10 and how many are left over. Write that on your paper now. When you're ready, you can turn to the next page. If you're ready, boys and girls, you're going to page, so you are looking at number 13. That's the number we're on now. This problem says, count by 10 to solve. What is the number? So count your tens. What is the number? Write it on the blank here. Pause your video when you are ready to start. Press play again. We are on number 14. Jane solves 10 math problems at school every day. How many math problems does Jane solve in a week? So you're going to count how many math problems does she solve every day of the week, and how many does she solve in all. Pause your video when you're ready to move on. Press play. We are on number 15. Joe made this model. What number is he showing? So you need to look at all of your tens and all of your ones and write the number here. Then write the number here and you're going to make it a math problem. How many tens plus how many ones? Stop the video to work on that problem now. We are on number 16. Count the tens and ones and write the number. Count how many tens and write that number here. Count how many ones and write that number here. What number does it make? Write the number here. Pause your video. Press play when you're ready to begin. We are on number 17. Nat wants to show 41 as tens and ones. What are all the ways? So you're going to show me how many tens plus how many ones. And in a new way, how many tens plus how many ones. 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 Remember, boys and girls, this is where you're going to be changing your tens and ones over, so you're going to get more ones and less tens as you go. Pause your video to work on that one now. Ready to go? We're on number 18. Boys and girls, remember, for number 18 and 19, you can always look at the hundreds chart that's hanging in the front of the classroom. This one asks, what is 1 more than 17? Write it in the blank. What is 1 less than 17? Write it in the blank. 10 more than 17? 10 less than 17. Pause the video to complete that one now. We are on number 19. On this problem, we are going to be using our greater than, less than, or equal to symbols to complete the math problem. Remember, your greater than and less than symbols, your alligator always eats your bigger number. So you need to write in the circle what symbol fills in each one of these problems. Pause your video to do that now. Okay, boys and girls, we are down to the last page, so if you are ready to go, you're going to turn to the very back page, and we are going to start on number 20. You're in the home stretch. Number 20 says, Jay reads 25 pages in his book. Then he reads one more page. How many pages does he read in all? Write your number on the blank. Number 21. Fill in the missing numbers. So this is part of a hundreds chart. It is not the whole thing because you can see it does not start at 1, it starts at 16. So you need to fill in all these spaces with the numbers that go. Look for numbers around it to help you fill in which numbers are missing. Pause the video to fill it in now. Number 22. You are going to look at this number line. Write in number 48, number 42, and number 59 where you think they fit on this number line. The boxes below are where number 40 would fit, number 50, and number 60. So you need to figure out where these numbers will fit and put them in the bubbles on the top. Pause the video and do that now. Number 23. Mr. Handy buys some nails. The number of nails he buys is between number 86 and 87. How many does he buy? You can use this little chart here to help you figure out his numbers between 86 and 88. So what number would go on this chart or on this line? Last problem, boys and girls, number 24. You've done such an awesome job. I know it was a lot of work. You're doing great. It wants you to complete the hundreds chart section. So number 38 is the number they want. This is just doing one before, one after, 10 less, 10 more. You can do this, boys and girls. Pause the video. When you're ready to start, press play again. Okay, boys and girls, you have finished the math test. Before you are allowed to turn it in, make sure your name is at the top. What I would like for you to do is, if you have checked every problem over and make sure you have answered them all, give yourself a little star down in the corner and bring your paper to me for a special treat. Good job, boys and girls. I'm super proud of you.